Welcome to my channel. This video part 10. You can check the channel for part 9. Don't forget to subscribe. Will. His strong will helped him overcome many challenges.
Will.
Scared.
Scared.
The loud noise scared the birds away.
Scared.
Communicate.
Communicate.
Effective communication is essential in building strong relationships.
Communicate.
Poisonous.
Poisonous.
Some mushrooms in the forest are highly poisonous.
Poisonous.
100.
100.
There are 100 stars in the night sky.
100.
Look up.
Look up.
I need to look up the definition of that word in the dictionary.
Look up.
Like.
Like.
I like to go for a walk in the park in the evening.
Like.
Message.
Message.
She sent a thoughtful message to express her condolences.
Message.
Pass through.
Pass through.
We will pass through the town on our way to the mountains.
Pass through.
Exception.
Exception.
The policy allows for exceptions in certain cases.
Exception.
Against.
Against.
The team is playing against their toughest opponents today.
Against.
Salary.
Salary.
He received a raise in his salary after his promotion.
Salary.
Insulting.
Insulting.
His insulting remarks offended many people in the room.
Insulting.
Sort out.
Sort out.
Let's sort out the issues one by one to find a solution.
Sort out.
Tie.
Tie.
He wore a stylish tie to the formal event.
Tie.
More.
More.
I need more time to finish the project.
More.
Go through with.
Go through with.
She decided to go through with her plan despite the challenges.
Go through with.
Happen to.
Happen to.
I happen to know a great place for pizza.
Happen to.
Revolution.
Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution transformed society and industry.
Revolution.
Down.
Down.
He set the heavy box down on the table.
Down.
Error.
Error.
The error in the calculations led to incorrect results.
Error.
Immediate.
Immediate.
The immediate response from the team was impressive.
Immediate.
Sweat.
Sweat.
After the workout, drops of sweat glistened on his forehead.
Sweat.
Advance.
Advance.
They made an advance payment to secure their reservation.
Advance.
Previous.
Previous.
The previous owner of the house left behind some furniture.
Previous.
Throw out.
Throw out.
Don't throw out the old books. They can be donated.
Throw out.
Essential.
Essential.
Proper nutrition is essential for good health.
Essential.
Distribution.
Distribution.
The distribution of food to the needy is a noble cause.
Distribution.
Reader.
Reader.
The reader was captivated by the suspenseful novel.
Reader.
Keep up with.
Keep up with.
It's important to keep up with the latest developments in your field.
Keep up with.
Bread.
Bread.
She baked fresh bread for breakfast.
Bread.
Figure out.
Figure out.
We need to figure out a solution to this problem.
Figure out.
Consider.
Consider.
Take some time to consider all your options before making a decision.
Consider.
Attempted.
Attempted.
The attempted robbery was foiled by the quick-thinking cashier.
Attempted.
Desert.
Desert.
The desert is characterized by its arid climate and vast sand dunes.
Desert.
Damage.
Damage.
The storm caused extensive damage to the buildings.
Damage.
Loan.
Loan.
He took out a loan to purchase his dream car.
Loan.
Entitle.
Entitle.
The winning team will be entitled to a trophy.
Entitle.
I
I
am excited to learn new things every day. Lake.
Lake.
The serene lake provided a peaceful retreat for the vacationers.
Lake.
Receive.
Receive.
She was thrilled to receive a thoughtful gift from her friend.
Receive.
Spelling.
Spelling.
The spelling of that word is a bit tricky.
Spelling.
Loudly.
Loudly.
He spoke so loudly that everyone could hear him.
Loudly.
Bet.
Bet.
I bet you can't solve this puzzle in under 5 minutes.
Bet.
Even.
Even.
I don't even know where it is.
Even.
History.
History.
The history of the ancient civilization is fascinating.
History.
Pleasant.
Pleasant.
The pleasant aroma of flowers filled the air.
Pleasant.
Muscle.
Muscle.
Regular exercise helps build and strengthen muscle.
Muscle.
Observe.
Observe.
Take a moment to observe the beauty of nature around you.
Observe.
Check out.
Check out.
Don't forget to check out at the front desk before leaving.
Check out.
Tightly.
Tightly.
She held onto the railing tightly as the boat rocked.
Tightly.
Shoot.
Shoot.
He raised the camera to his eye and prepared to shoot.
Shoot.
Pace.
Pace.
The hiker set a brisk pace on the trail.
Pace.
Argument.
Argument.
They engaged in a friendly argument about their favorite movies.
Argument.
Happily.
Happily.
The children played happily in the park all afternoon.
Happily.
Every.
Every.
Every student in the class received a participation certificate.
Every.
Pursue.
Pursue.
She decided to pursue a career in medicine.
Pursue.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
I enjoy reading the newspaper over breakfast.
Newspaper.
Joy.
Joy.
The news brought her immense joy.
Joy.
Mistake.
Mistake.
Admitting a mistake is a sign of maturity.
Mistake.
Infect.
Infect.
The virus can easily infect those with weakened immune systems.
Infect.
Front.
Front.
The house has a beautiful garden in the front.
Front.
Any.
Any.
Is there any milk left in the refrigerator?
Any.
Frequently.
Frequently.
He frequently visits his grandparents on weekends.
Frequently.
Single.
Single.
The single red rose stood out among the bouquet.
Single.
Self.
Self.
She took some time for self-reflection and introspection.
Self.
Taxi.
Taxi.
She hailed a taxi to take her to the airport.
Taxi.
I.
Her
eye caught the glimpse of a shooting star. Mention.
Mention.
She didn't mention the surprise party to her friend.
Mention.
Reference.
Reference.
You can find more information in the book's reference section.
Reference.
Patience.
Patience.
Patience is key when learning a new skill.
Patience.
Put back.
Put back.
After using the tools, remember to put them back in their designated spots.
Put back.
Predict.
Predict.
It's difficult to predict the outcome of the game.
Predict.
Popular.
Popular.
The new restaurant became popular quickly due to its delicious food.
Popular.
Category.
Category.
The products are divided into different categories for easy browsing.
Category.
Summary.
Summary.
The summary provided a concise overview of the main points.
Summary.
Draft.
Draft.
She wrote a draft of her essay before making revisions.
Draft.
Discovery.
Discovery.
The scientific discovery led to a breakthrough in medical research.
Discovery.
Alphabet.
Alphabet.
The alphabet consists of 26 letters.
Alphabet.
13.
13.
There were 13 guests at the dinner party.
13.
Buyer.
Buyer.
The buyer was impressed with the quality of the product.
Buyer.
Prevent.
Prevent.
Regular exercise can help prevent certain health issues.
Prevent.
Accuse.
Accuse.
He was quick to accuse his neighbor of stealing his newspaper.
Accuse.
Ceiling.
Ceiling.
The ceiling of the Grand Hall was adorned with intricate artwork.
Ceiling.
Limit to.
Limit to.
Please limit your response to 2 sentences.
Limit to.
Harmful.
Harmful.
The chemicals in the cleaning product can be harmful if ingested.
Harmful.
Ground.
Ground.
The bird hopped along the ground in search of food.
Ground.
Wind.
Wind.
The wind howled through the trees during the storm.
Wind.
Earn.
Earn.
She worked hard to earn a promotion at her job.
Earn.
Again.
Again.
Let's try again from the beginning.
Again.
Entertainer.
Entertainer.
The talented entertainer captivated the audience with his performance.
Entertainer.
Construct.
Construct.
The builders worked diligently to construct the new skyscraper.
Construct.
Emotional.
Emotional.
The emotional movie brought tears to her eyes.
Emotional.
Observation.
Observation.
The scientist's observation led to a groundbreaking discovery.
Observation.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Her uncle always tells amusing stories at family gatherings.
Uncle.
Freedom.
Freedom.
The Declaration of Independence proclaimed the people's freedom.
Freedom.
Jump.
Jump.
The athlete's powerful jump broke the world record.
Jump.
Objective.
Objective.
The objective of the experiment was to test the hypothesis.
Objective.
Blade.
Blade.
The sharp blade sliced through the loaf of bread.
Blade.
Breath.
Breath.
Take a deep breath and relax.
Breath.
Thank you for watching.